The spark plug coil connects the ignition coil wire to the spark plug. It is a wire coil with a spike that is pressed through the ignition wire sleeve and into the stranded wire. Over time, the coil can loosen up, causing it to come free from the spark plug. Replacing the spark plug coil is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Soja.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the spark plug wire from the spark plug. Next, I'll remove the spark plug boot from the ignition wire. I like to use a little bit of silicone spray to make this easier. I'll spray a little around the coil, as well as some between the boot and the ignition wire. Now that I've applied the silicone spray, I'll go ahead and grab the wire coil with my needle nose pliers. I'll remove the coil from the ignition wire, and then I can slide the boot off of the ignition wire. Now I can install the new spark plug coil. I'll place the spike back into the hole on the ignition wire, and I'll make sure it's firmly pressed inside the stranded wire. And now I'll reinstall the spark plug cap. I'll apply a little more silicone spray to it, and now I can slide it over the coil and the ignition wire. I'll wipe away the excess silicone spray, and I'll finish up by reinstalling the spark plug cap onto the spark plug. And that's all it takes to replace the spark plug coil on your small engine. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.